Hi there, this is a video tutorial for Optizen Video Upsell, and this video is a getting started video for using your own videos, but which you would upload from your local machine. So to get started, you would click use your existing video or create video upsell campaign, doesn't matter which one you choose. It's the same process as we explained in the using your own video getting started, where we added a YouTube, TikTok, or Vimeo video. The only difference here is we're going to upload a video from our local machine. So we'll choose bundle with current product again. We'll call this one test upload. And obviously you would select upload your own video. So now I'm going to grab a video that's on my local machine. And I've selected the video, and you can see now it's going through the process of uploading the video. I'll just pause while that completes, and you can see the video uploaded successfully, and now you can continue on to the next steps. The process is exactly the same as we went through with the first video of using YouTube, Vimeo, or TikTok videos.